Welcome students. Today we are starting classes on nursing research, and in this video we can see an introduction to nursing research. It will include the definition of research and nursing research and the need for research in nursing. What do you mean by research? The word research. The word itself says that it is researching something. That is, there exists something and we are trying to make an analysis on it by researching it. That is research. For example, we know that there exists a relationship between high salt diet and elevated blood pressure. What is the relationship? We know that high salt diet contribute to elevated blood pressure. By research, we are trying to find this relationship, or we are trying to make an evidence for this relationship between this cause and effect. That is research. That is, by research, we are trying to make an evidence for a cause and effect. And the main specialty of research findings are we can verify its findings. That is, after some years, when a person looks on a research study, he can verify its findings. That is research. So research, it is the systematic inquiry to make a scientific evidence for a cause and effect. Next, we can see the definition of research. Definition of research. It is the definition given by an American socialist called Robert. He had given this definition to research. According to this definition, research is a systematic inquiry to describe, explain, predict and control the observed phenomenon. And we can summarize this definition in a small diagram. That is, research, it is a systematic inquiry to find the to find or explain, describe, predict and control. What we are doing on this, we are doing this on an observed phenomenon. That is, research, it is a systematic inquiry to explain, control, describe and predict an observed phenomenon. This is the definition for research given by the American sociologist called Robert. Next, we can see the definition of nursing research. Nursing research. We can see the definition of nursing research. This is the definition given by ANA, that is American Nurses Association, in the year 1981. According to the nursing research develops knowledge about health and promotion of health over the full lifespan, care of persons with health problems and disabilities, and nursing action to enhance the ability of individual to respond effectively to actual and potential health problems. We can summarize this definition also in a small figure. That is, nursing research, it develops knowledge about what? health and health promotion. Health and health promotion. Health promotion of an individual in whole lifespan. And also care of it develops knowledge about health and health promotion in the whole lifespan of an individual, and also care of persons with disabilities. It is care of persons with disabilities, and also response to actual and potential health problems. Response to health problems. So, according to nursing, according to this definition by ANA, nursing research knowledge on health and health promotion over the lifespan of an individual, and also care of persons with disease and disabilities, and also an individual's ability to respond to health problems, that is actual and also potential health problems. Next we can see the need for research in nursing. The first point is for the continuous growth of nursing profession. As any other profession, for the continuous growth of a profession, research is needed. So, for the continuous growth of nursing profession, research is needed. Next is for the professional identity of nursing profession. For the professional identity of nursing profession, that is to make nursing separate from other health profession, continuous research activity is needed in nursing. Next is to build up and expand the body of nursing knowledge. We know that for nursing we have a body of knowledge, nursing theories, nursing practice, nursing process, like that we have a body of knowledge. To build up and expand that body of knowledge, research is needed. Next is to validate and refine the existing practice. For validate and refining the existing nursing practice, research activities are needed. Next is to make healthcare efficient and cost effective. For making healthcare efficient and cost effective for the patients, continuous research activities is needed in nursing profession. And the last point is evidence-based practice. Healthcare is demanding evidence-based practice nowadays. That is, for every practice we do in healthcare, there should be an evidence or a proof for that it is applicable or it is effective, like that. There should be a proof for that. That is evidence-based practice. For evidence-based practice in nursing, also research is needed. So in this video we have seen the definition of research, definition of nursing research, and need for research in nursing. So in the coming videos we will be seeing other topics related to nursing research. Try to follow those classes. Thank you.